welcome to Magnificent Motors 2019. We've got 7 cars on display this year. Nice variation as usual. The jewel in the crown will start in the middle, so walk this way. This is the one we're codenaming Project LS33 GTR. As far as we're aware, it is still the only GTR actual bodied LS3 swap. Most of the keen eye viewers will notice how low the engine sits. That's because we customise the subframe here, so we can put the engine in the proper place. A lot of the drift boys, it's easier, and I understand why it's done, is they'll put it up higher and try and use the old Skyline rack, or we've basically swapped the rack to the front, reversed the hubs, done other bits and pieces like that, but so it allows us to sit the engine as low down as possible and as far back as possible, get as much weight between the axles as possible, which everyone who knows anything about cars will know that's going to make for a better handling vehicle. So here she is. Low loader anyway, so people can have a look and see what we've been up to. Moving this way, we have Matt's A45 AMG. This one is it's on the YouTube channel, as is the Skyline. So you can check the full install video out for the Armatrix exhaust system this one's got. It's also got some KW coilovers on it now, adjustable white line anti-roll bars and drop links, and other bits and pieces. This is our car that's it's a replacement car. We're supposed to have a different track car here, but unfortunately this is the customer couldn't get it. Pretty much just looking at this one. This is just one the cars we maintain, if you like. Moving on, we got Mark's Audi RS5. Now this one is the first Armatrix exhaust system, and again there's an install video on the YouTube channel. Pretty much standard car in the Armatrix, and a little bit of tuning and some uprated panel filters. So the final one on the end here, not the final one, sorry, the one on this end here is Tommy's. You'll probably recognise this one. The video will go live before you see this one, I reckon. Unfortunately, Tommy had a little bit of an incident in the car, and it's now been put back together, but it's also been improved as well. So it's got wheels, tyres, brakes, suspension. There's loads of bits that have been done to this now. Decatted. Runs about 300 horsepower. It's an RS250 with about 302, 303 brake on a remap. So that's that one. Now this one is my car, which is it was 2 weeks ago, it was the road car, which we're turning into a track car, but we spent the last couple of weeks on and off trying to get it ready for this show, and we've got a track day at Bedford next Monday. So supercharged E46 M3. There's not masses on the channel yet, but this one you'll play catch up with this one, so we'll put some more videos on for it. But we had to rush this through, so unfortunately you're not going to see the whole build up to this point, but you are going to see everything else from this, and the plan is to show you guys what it's like to get into some competitive racing. So we're going to take this through to full fruition and probably go with something like time attack or similar. The recent stuff we've done to it's now got, so bearing in mind 2 weeks ago it was a full weight road car, which probably weighed nearly 2 tons with my fat loss in it. So we've got about 150, 180 kilo, somewhere between 150 and 180 out of the car. That's included full fiberglass front end, wider front wings, fiberglass front bumper, some aero on the back. We'll walk around and show you that. The interior is completely stripped, although it's only got the temporary half cage in at the moment. Got a bigger cage in there obviously for safety aspects. Yeah, titanium wheel studs, and nuts this way. But it just means the mass of the car is lower. We've got the jet steel wing, so this is adjustable. We've got a carbon fibre boot on it as well. Again, we're going to strip the wiring harness down and stuff like that. If you want to come around the back, you see the full rear diffuser. We've cut the rear bumper away as well to get rid of some air from the back of the car, because there's a lot of weight coming out the back of the car. Not a massive amount out the middle and a lot out the front, so it's going to be very light at the rear at the moment, so it's going to be very tail end happy for the moment until we work out the aero. But like I say, we'll take you guys on that journey anyway. And then if we walk around this way, lastly what we've got is Simon's RS Focus, which was a great build. It's got most of the Mount Tune catalogue on it. It's now got a forged engine. It's going to have a Quafe ATB diff put in the front of it in a week or two. Again, we're going to do a full review on this car anyway. anyway, because this is a really nicely put together fast road car. It's not massively powerful, 430 I think we are at the moment, or something like that with this. Let's have a quick look. Can't remember offhand. Yeah, 425, so yeah, we're at 425 brake now. So this, the launch control on this is fantastic. The handling on this car is phenomenal. Yeah, and it's only running eye-back springs, funny enough, and a couple of other bits, but yeah, handles really well, goes really well, perfectly practical, usable daily car as well. A little bit on the noisy side maybe for some, but yeah, so that's our 7 cars. I'll take you inside the stand real quick and show you what we've got on in the stand this year. We've gone a little bit all out, so we've got a new marquee. We've got our YouTube videos running on with some background music inside. Got some merchandise for people if they want to buy anything. We've also got a simulator as well. So we're running a simulator competition this year, so basically the fastest lap round Brands Hatch Indy circuit, they get 3 laps, 16 and over, basically because that's the track rules for Brands, and then these people will get invited along to a track day we're going to be doing at Brands Hatch this year, and they can get a free passenger ride, some lunch, drink and what have you, in probably the M3 or any other of the cars that drivers are happy to take passengers in on the day. And that's all free of charge. We're just doing that as a nice little thank you to potential customers and anyone that's shows an interest in the business. So yeah, I think that's everything. Today's Saturday, it's been a little bit quiet and it has rained, as you can probably tell from some of the cars. They've still got water on them. The weather's not been great, the turnout's not been great yet, but we're expecting big things tomorrow on Sunday. So yeah, we hope you enjoy the footage of the rest of the show, which I shall snip it in here. enjoyed that, guys, please leave us a comment below. We do really appreciate everybody's feedback. It will help us decide what gets put on the channel and what doesn't, ultimately what people want to see more of. Please also leave us a like. I like it a lot. Share with your friends. Please be my friend. And subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, if you want to know about any future uploads, you can hit the bell button to be notified. Thanks for watching.